Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to see how many hours you've played a game on Roblox. Tracking the time you spend on Roblox can give you insights into your gaming habits. Here are several methods to do so. First one is using third-party time tracking software. Apps and software designed for time tracking can monitor how long you spend in Roblox and other games. Some popular options such as Desk Time, Work Doctor, and Rescue Time. Just install the app on your computer, allow it to run in the background while you play Roblox, and view detailed reports of your time spent in Roblox and other activities. But if you are on a console, you can check the Roblox activity log. Just access the activity log via your console settings or profile menu. The log may show the time spent on each Roblox game. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.